In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Monday.com. This is a straightforward process that will allow you to seamlessly integrate your data and project management workflows. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser. Now, go ahead and type Monday.com into the search bar. Once you've done that, hit Enter. You should see Monday.com pop up in the search results. Click on the link to go to their website. Once you're there, it's time to log in. You may already have an account, or you might need to create one if you're a new user. Just follow the on-screen instructions to get into your account. Once you're logged into Monday.com, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. Click on that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you'll want to select the option labeled Import Data. This is where you'll begin the process of importing your Google Sheets data. Next, you'll be faced with a few options. Look for the one that says Google Sheets and select it. This tells the system that you want to import data from a Google Sheet. Now, in order to proceed, you'll need to connect your Google account. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to log into your Google account if you're not already logged in. Additionally, Monday.com will request permission to access your Google Sheets. Be sure to read the permissions requested, and if you agree, click Allow to grant Monday.com the necessary access. After you've linked your Google account, it's time to choose the specific Google Sheet you'd like to import. You'll see a list of your available Google Sheets from your drive. Browse through them and select the one that contains the data you want to bring into Monday.com. Make sure you've chosen the right sheet, as this is the information that will be imported to create your new board. Now comes the fun part, configuring your new board. This is where you can decide how your data from Google Sheets will look and function in Monday.com. Take your time to adjust the settings to suit your project's needs. The platform offers various customization options, allowing you to set up your board in a way that works best for you and your team. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, you're ready to import your data. Look for the Import button and click on it. This action will create a new board in Monday.com using the data from your selected Google Sheet. Within moments, you'll see your data beautifully laid out, ready for you to manage and track as part of your Monday.com workflow. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to connect your Google Sheets to Monday.com. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.